Welcome to Ajax-by-the-Lake, a beautiful waterfront community boasting conservation areas, 7 kilometers of multi-use trails along Lake Ontario, rolling parklands, and fantastic recreation spaces. Represented by Sonia Sampson, broker at Royal LePage Connect Realty, 43 Hills Road is a beautifully maintained 4-bedroom brick-side split home nestled on a premium-sized pie-shaped lot within South East Ajax's well-established Southwood neighbourhood. Set well back from the street and landscaped with an interlocking walkway and garden beds for exceptional curb appeal, the front entry door and its sidelight have scrolled wrought iron inserts and welcome you into a main level that showcases both ceramic tiled and oak hardwood flooring, north and south facing windows with California shutters, and natural light permeating every room. Crown moldings add a finishing touch to the decorative plaster ceilings of the combined L-shaped entertaining areas of the living and dining rooms, with the dining room also featuring the ambient brightness of a timeless light fixture. While enhancing both their elegance and spaciousness is a subtle color palette and light through an oversized bow window. Bright and airy, the kitchen and its breakfast area have contemporary light fixtures, with the functional workspace of the U-shaped kitchen showcasing the traditional warmth of light-colored wood cabinetry, dark granite counters and multi-tonal mosaic backsplashes, as well as a stainless steel sink and appliances. Sliding doors in the breakfast area open onto a raised cedar deck, which overlooks the neighborhood greenbelt and a large backyard that also features a separate patio area, as well as a walkway from the deck and patio, which passes by the rear door to access the home's deep double-car garage as it wraps around to the front yard. The upper level showcases oak hardwood flooring throughout its hallway and in the 3 bedrooms. The 3rd bedroom having a bright and cheery color palette and backyard views. The cozy 2nd bedroom has a rich warm color palette. And both of these bedrooms have ample closet storage. The 4-piece washroom features ceramic finishes, a vanity with accent lighting, additional storage with a toiletry cabinet, and a bath shower combo, with this washroom also a semi-ensuite for the master bedroom, which showcases an elegant contemporary light fixture with a ceiling medallion and a spacious double closet. The lower ground level features laminate flooring throughout, and at its north end is a bedroom with an oversized above-grade window, California shutters, sconce lighting, and a built-in wood cabinet, as well as a 3-piece washroom, its vanity having accent lighting and crown moldings, while ceramic tiles finish the vanity backsplash, the floor, and a glass shower with a corner seat. The finished basement level features a huge recreation area with Berber broadloom, as well as a renovated laundry room with ceramic flooring, front-load washer and dryer, storage cabinets, and a sink. While completing the lower ground level is a spacious family room showcasing a gas fireplace with a ceramic tiled hearth and surrounded by floor-to-ceiling brick, as well as sliding doors opening to the backyard. Fenced on its east and south sides, with a cedar hedge along its west side and just over 95 feet wide at the rear, the premium-sized backyard has been landscaped with perennials and trees and also has a gate opening to the greenbelt and its trail that cuts through this neighborhood. Offering the lifestyle of lakeside living in a great family neighborhood close to reputable schools, this home enjoys proximity to many other prime amenities, including shopping plazas, Durham Region Transit, GO Transit, quick access to the 401 and the 407, as well as community-oriented services, a conservation area, parks, and recreational facilities. For a private viewing of this fine home, or if you wish to learn more about the Ajax-by-the-Lake communities, contact Sonia Sampson, broker at Royal LePage Connect, directly at 905-427-6522, or email realestate@soniasampson.com.